Hi guys, welcome to Learning TWI the Fun Way with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi and today's lesson is quite interesting. I have somebody who actually left a comment on the comment section. The person's name is Anon. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, Anon or Anon. Well, Anon wanted to know 3 things. So I figured let's base today's channel on those specific 3 things. So what Anon wanted to know was how do you say in TWI? So one would say that in this way. How do you say in TWI is Wobɛka no saying. So Wobɛka is how do you. No saying is say. So basically Wobɛka no saying is how do you say in TWI. The other thing that Anon wanted to know as well was how do you say what is this? What is this in TWI is Deɛbɛn. Deɛbɛn is what? Ni is this. So Deɛbɛn is what is this. And Anon also wanted to find out what is that and the difference between what is this and what is that. What is that is Deɛbɛn no. So Deɛbɛn is what, no is that. So those are the 2 different things. So this is ni, no is that. So those are the 3 things that I got. And remember, please, if you have any translations that you want me to translate for you, right, just leave it in the comment section. I will definitely actually make a video based on those. Like I said in my previous videos, right, I'll say your name, read out your comments, then actually translate them in TWI, which I just did now with Anon, right? And but to download TWI Junior Pro, it's less than $1. Then also, if you like the lessons, please click on the like button, subscribe, and click on the bell button for future notifications. Thanks again. And by the way, thanks for everyone who's been subscribing. I see the numbers are going up. And please spread the news. The more, the merrier. So thanks again, Anon. Thanks again. I really appreciate what you did. Thanks for your comments. Thanks again for the appreciation and love that you showed. I really appreciate it. It keeps me going. So guys, till next time. Bye.